Hi everyone, Patrick from North52 here again. In the first video we installed North52, so the next step is to get a license key. First we open the North52 configuration record and copy out the true organization ID. North52 license keys are specific to individual organization IDs. Next we go to www.north52.com and mouse over Business Process Activities, and then click on License Key Request. We fill out the name fields, the email address, paste in our CRM organization ID and the company name. We then select how many users will be in our CRM system, if it is online or on-premise, and the type of license key we want. For this video, we will ask for a try license key. Finally, click on Request a License Key. North52 will then send you a license key that is specific to that organization ID. Trial keys are generally valid for 1 month. When you receive the license key, open your North52 configuration record, paste in the key and click Save. The license description will change from saying you are running a basic edition to that you have applied a valid license key, and the number of permitted activities will increase. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, please contact support@north52.com or visit support.north52.com.